remain observed. Greetings from the leadership of the SPLM party under the labor leadership of His Excellency Comrade General Salva Kiir Mayardit of South Sudan, Comrade Dr. Peter Lambert, the Secretary General of SPLM, and the entire leadership and membership of SPLM party. On a special note, I want to convey to you a special greeting from the leader of my party wing, Comrade Daniel Abosha Ali, to the CNDD, FDD, imbonerakure, and to the people of Burundi at large. Today, we are happy to be part and parcel of this important Pan-African youth gathering, and we want to register our utmost happiness and gratitude to people of Burundi. Without much, allow me to convey to you the greetings and congratulations from Comrade Bol Makwang, the Secretary of External Affairs in our party. And I conclude by saying, long live CNDD, FDD party, long live the people of Burundi, long live SPLM. Thank you so much.
Amashimishi cyane. Umugambwe ZANU-PF waturungikiye intumwa zine aho ni mu gihugu ca Zimbabwe, barahawe ikaze.
CNDD, FDD, Ramba. Your Excellency of Public of Burundi, President Evariste Ndayishimiye in absentia. Senior leadership of CNDD, FDD here present. Estimated delegates, all protocol observed. My name is Valeria Makonza, National Secretary for External Relations. Here is my solidarity. Let me start by saying the ZANU-PF Youth League extends its profound gratitude and feels greatly honored and privileged to be part of this most revered annual gathering of the 6th edition of the Imbonera Day. We convey our warm camaraderie greetings from our President and First Secretary, the Head of State and Government, His Excellency